So I finally made it to Milwaukee, to the mothership, the motor company, for Harley Homecoming. Oh yeah. Here we go, Union Station. Trying to catch this train down to Savannah for Harley 120. Oh man. So I just made it here to Savannah. Pick up my dad's bike. Getting off the train, waiting for him to come pick me up. So here we go. Road to Harley-Davidson 120. So my dad's finally just pulling up. What's going on, Big Larry? Give me a hug, man. Give me a hug, Big Larry. What's going on? Doing all right?
Yeah. You okay? I love you, man.
Love you too, Big Daddy.
Huh?
You doing all right?
Yeah, I love you. Don't you forget that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Guess what?
Chicken butt.
I sure said I was going with you. But guess what?
What's that?
Only thing I want you to do is be damn careful.
Oh,
And like you and Adrian got on my ass that time when I came and didn't call, I expect you to call me and make sure you call your wife. Another thing, all the asses that you stay hydrated. The old man just wish I could have been going with you, but I mean,
All right, so I'm about to jump on the road here for Harley 120. My dad can't make it with me, so I'm riding this bike. So it's gonna be like you going with me.
All right, I love you.
Love you too, Dad. All right, so let's get this thing started. All right, here we go. On the road for Harley 120. You ready, Dad? Anything you want to say?
All right, just be careful. I love you. All right. Appreciate that. All right.
So I just did my first fuel stop. Called my wife right there. If you can hear me, I can't hear you. But I'm pulling out. All right. miles, I believe, or whatever, from exit 2 maybe to Tennessee or something like that. So yeah, I'm in North Georgia. I've been on the road riding about 4 hours, so here we go. stop right here. First little XL from Kentucky. Try to get off that bike, get some cool air. Might be bridle with this helmet. Oh, it's killing me.
Kentucky Sergeant, it's going on right now.
Oh, really? Oh, man. Yeah, no.
It's over Lexington, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I'm actually heading up to Milwaukee.
I hear you. My son installed audio and lights on them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he got one of them custom built $60,000.
Yeah.
Got a nice one, but yeah, this Dodgers, I think it's about an hour and a half from here.
Okay.
Might want to drop by there on your way to Milwaukee.
Shoot, heck yeah. I definitely try. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good one. Yeah, I'm going to that one in August over there in South Dakota.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll see you there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
I want to show you my son's bike, so if you ever see it, you'll recognize it. Tell him you talked to me one time.
Oh, okay.
Had that $3,000 front wheel.
Woo.
But he had it decked out with clowns. His son got Williams syndrome a little bit. And he likes clowns, them mean-looking clowns. And he's got clowns painted all over it on the hill.
Gas stop this is. Somewhere in Indiana. Get into it. Where you from?
Mexico.
Mexico?
Yes.
Did you ride up from Mexico?
Yes.
Really? Wow.
This is our sixth day. 6 day on travel. We started on Friday, the last week.
Oh, wow.
And this is our 6th day
Okay.
traveling.
I'm Larry.
I'm Jorge, George.
Jorge?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Larry. And I have a YouTube channel called Bill Ride Repeat.
Ah, okay, great.
And so I'm going to homecoming as well. And hopefully I'll see you around there.
I hope you too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What year is your bike?
17.
17?
Yes, 17.
Awesome.
Yours is what?
This is a 2013. I painted it for my dad for his 70th birthday.
Okay.
But
Great. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful bike.
Appreciate it.
Like we say in Mexico, it's an airplane.
Airplane?
When we see motorcycles with a big machine or a very nice customized,
yeah,
we say it's an airplane. It's an airplane.
¿Cómo se dice ese airplane en español?
Es un avionzote. Es un avionzote.
Avionzote.
A big plane.
A big plane?
Or you can say too, if for example, if you see that your motorcycle have a lot of accessories, we say you put all the pharmacy on there. Tiene toda la farmacia. It's like when you put everything on the bike.
Tiene todo la farmacia.
La farmacia. Like pharmacy?
Yeah.
Farmacia.
It's
the same. It's a very, very common to hear that in Mexico.
I'm going to use that now.
Yeah, sure, try it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll
see you around.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Very nice to meet you. Take care.
You too. Be safe. Hey, babies. Hey, baby. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? How you doing? Love you.
I'm proud of you, man. You got that getting, man.
Hey, man, thanks, man. That means a lot to me coming from you. You know what I'm saying? Man, look, this Racer 528 got in here. I came through Bowling Green averaging 90, 95. Yeah. I had Adam laughing about it.
Well, man, I'll let you go. Go ahead and enjoy your ride. Text me when you get here tonight so I can just make sure you made it safe.
Alright, so this should be my last fuel stop for the day. Hopefully this last bit of gas could get me on into Milwaukee. So where the Loves, somewhere in Indiana before crossing over to Illinois. And then over to Wisconsin. Yeah. Here we go. I was going to be able to get in on that last full up, but I've got 9 miles to go to the location, and I'm pretty much on fumes, so I'm not going to take a chance of running out of gas on 94 out here, and nobody could come and get me because I don't know anybody out here like that. So, and it's like kind of late, so yeah, fueling up one more time. And then I'm on the way in for homecoming. So he finally made it here for Harley Homecoming HD 120 on ground from Savannah, Georgia on CV16, my dad's bike. Now how you like that? Now that I'm here, checked in, I can send this picture to my dad right quick. He's gonna flip out. I might call him on WhatsApp, whatever, but oh yeah, it's official. It's going down this weekend. So, all right.